Hello. After an uneventful first half of the weekend weather-wise, Sunday does look set to bring something a little livelier with some stronger winds and some outbreaks of rain for some, particularly across the northern half of the UK.
Hi, good morning, Ben. Well, I'm pleased to say we've got absolutely nothing as severe as that on the way in the forecast. But that said, we do have some strong winds on the way over the next few days. Today, the winds will be picking up across northern areas of the country.
Hello there. Hope you're all keeping well. So it's certainly been a mixed start to the day so far. Cloudy for some and windy for others.
And a very good afternoon to you. Let's see what the weather's up to over the next week or so and into the weekend. Now, the main headline is that it is going to be actually quite blustery for a time, particularly across the northern half of the UK, but often with rain, often with wind, we get a fair bit of rain. And on this occasion, I think it's actually going to be generally dry weather across the UK through this week. Now, we've got a ribbon of clouds stretching across the Atlantic, being pushed by quite a powerful jet stream. Low pressures embedded within this conveyor belt of cloud, but to the south, we've got an area of high pressure which will keep nudging in across the country. But early in the week, we're also going to see quite a nasty area of low pressure riding on the top of this area of high pressure here to the north. And that means some strong winds to come for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England.
Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Sunday so far. We do have plenty of dry weather in the forecast as we go through the next few days. But once again, it will be turning quite windy at times.
Hello there. Very good evening to you. There has been quite a bit of cloud cover across the capital through today, although we did begin to see some brighter skies into this afternoon. Love this photo though nonetheless, sent in from Rob with this little mischievous squirrel there trying to get some of that bird food earlier on this morning. For us, yes, another rather breezy day to come though, saying that we could be seeing some gusty weather in association with that band of frontal rain at times too.
Good evening. In the last week, we saw temperatures down to -9 to the south of the UK, as high as +16 to the northeast across Aberdeenshire. We are going to even things out considerably through the week ahead, losing those temperature contrasts because partly we're going to have such a windy week ahead that's mixing up the air a lot more, and it will limit our chance of seeing frosts develop. So for the week ahead, not that much in the way of rainfall to come across England and Wales. Some areas likely to see hardly anything. Some showers for the northwest of England and for Wales, perhaps totting up to 10 millimetres in total. Heaviest rain, most frequent showers across western Scotland. We could be looking at around 75 mils across parts of the Highlands.
Hello there, good evening. Plenty of low grey cloud around today across the capital, but tomorrow is looking a lot brighter. Now, overnight tonight, we are set to keep those layers of cloud for a time. A few spots of drizzle also possible.
Good evening. For most of us, it was a relatively quiet day of weather today, but blustery and wet across parts of Scotland. How about tomorrow? Sunny spells on the way, and at the very least, it should be a bright day. Hello. A little bit of rain around this evening, and it remains very windy in parts of Scotland. That will continue through this evening and overnight. How about tomorrow? Well, across the majority of the UK, it's actually going to be a pretty decent day. Bright or sunny spells, even sunshine, clear blue skies for one or two.